Hello friends, welcome back to our Techie99 channel. In this video I'm gonna to show you how to create enemies for a space shooter game. So let's start the video. First I request to you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. So let's see how to create enemies for space shooter games. Click on add a new object and click on a sprite and rename this one enemies. Add an animation. If you have already enemies, then you can import it from here. I don't have enemies, then I will make a new enemies from here. Edit with pixel. Here you can make an enemy design, player design, bullet design and everything. I'm gonna to make a simple enemy design. Click this one. Let's change this color. Just red one. Okay. Move this here. And select this one. Select this one. And duplicate this frame from here. Select this one. Make a enemy's eyes and change this one to looking just like flying. I'm gonna to change this. First erase it. Okay, and here you can see it's looking just like flying. Rename here enemies and save this. Click on loop, preview. Yeah, it's looking good. Click on apply and now go to events to create a code. There are new events and click here add a condition, other condition and timers and time. Value of a scene timer. Scene timer is 0.3 and timer's name. You can type here anything. I'm just typing enemies creation. Okay, click on OK and click on add an action. Enemies, create an object and X position will be random and number 450. Cost. Okay, and y position will be -40. Okay, click on OK. Add an action, other action, timer, reset timer, enemies creation. Now enemies will create in every 0.2 seconds. Add a new events and click on add action, enemies, add a force, and here will be 90° and speed 300. Click on OK. Let's preview it. Click on preview button. Here you can see enemy is created, but you can see lots of enemies are coming. So change the seconds and here will be 9. Let's preview it. Now it's good. Okay, so add a code to move this player left and right. Click here, add a new events, add condition, other condition, keyboard, key pressed, and here will be left. If left button will be pressed, then add an action, player, add a force, and here will be 180° and speed 400. And one more condition, add a new event, add a condition, other condition, keyboard, key pressed. When right button will be pressed, then player will be move in a right. So copy this one and paste here and change this degree. Okay, so let's check it. Yeah, it's working good. Now let's create a bullet. Got it. Go to new scene and click on add a new object, spread, name here bullet, and click on add an animation, edit with pixel, and change this size. It will be 6. Click on resize and then change this color, this one. Okay, and rename here bullet and save this. Apply and go to events and here click on new events array condition, other condition, keyboard, key pressed. When a space button will be pressed, then bullet will be create. Array action, bullet, create an object, and position will be player x position, and here player and y position, and then click on OK. And now add a new events, action, bullet, add a force, and here will be 270, and here speed 400. Okay, let's preview it. Click on preview. Here you can see bullet is creating. When you will press a space button, then bullet will be create. But here you can see bullet is creating from here. Now let's change the bullet to create it from the middle of this player. Okay, go to new scene and go to player, edit object, and here click edit points, and this is a point. Change this point middle of this player here. Okay, close this one, apply. Let's preview this. Yeah, here we go. You can see bullet is creating middle of the player. But here you can see bullet is not killing the enemies. For killing the enemies, you have to make some codes. Let's see how to kill enemies by bullet. Okay, go to events, add a new events, add a condition. When bullet is collision, click on collision with enemies. Okay, then click on action, enemies, and delete the enemies, delete the object. Okay, when bullet is in collision with enemies, then enemies will be deleted. Let's preview it. Here you can see bullet is killing the enemies. Okay, so that's all for today. I wish you like this video and subscribe our channel. If you need any type of videos on G development, then comment me. I will definitely make a videos on that topic. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next video, and then for now, bye.